Welcome everybody.
Welcome to beautiful Alaska. It's so great to see you again.
Now we are going to explore the final frontier on this journey, so come along.
Let's go.
Okay, we chose the option of off-grid for an evening or two, and we absolutely love it.
It is so peaceful, and to just be able to unplug, get such a weight off of you. You feel such a freedom.
Now we're kind of out, a ways out. The Aurora Borealis is beautiful out here, the northern lights. And we may not have all the modern facilities that you would find in maybe a hotel or a resort, but at the same time though, it makes up with the serenity and the peace.
Oh, absolutely.
So I definitely advise trying to go off-grid.
If you want to immerse yourself in nature, it's the only way to go.
Alright, now we don't exactly get satellite TV or any kind of television, but we have great videos around here. The Hee-Haw Collection, beautiful, beautiful TV show.
And Roy Clark.
Okay, we are sitting in front of the fire, waiting for the biggest moment, the Aurora Borealis. It should be coming anytime now. We are in Alaska in sled dog country. We're gonna go meet some beautiful dogs. So, tell me what you can about these sled dogs.
So, generally on a team you have lead dogs and then you have I'm forgetting what they're called.
Dogs?
Yeah, you have the wheel dogs in the back and then you have dogs in the middle that just kind of, they work too, but they just fill those spots mostly. So in the front are your leaders, and those ones are like the smartest ones, and they know all the commands. You know, G's right, Haw's left. They control the team. The wheel dogs are your more brawn, strong dogs that pull the team.
Oh, okay.
And then your mid dogs are just kind of, they just run. They're
Just kind of help.
Yeah, they just kind of help move it along, and they split the load evenly. So.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
He's one of our lead dogs here. He's not trained as a G-Haw yet.
Just hold him for a second.
Come here, Timmy. Timmy! Come here, buddy. Hi.
All right, and talk about Sam. Try to look at me at the same time. It starts.
He's so excited.
Well,
They're
Sam
ready-
is
they're
one of-
ready to
Explain
run.
that Sam is one of our lead dogs.
He is one of our lead dogs. He's learning the commands. He ran in lead all year last year, so he's kind of still in training. He doesn't have the commands down quite yet, but he's learning.
We're going deep into sled dog territory. I know on the mainland we don't think much about this kind of thing, but these dogs are part of Alaskan survival, and they treat them very well up here. Aren't you a cutie?
All right, we have seen some amazing hounds, and we're not even done yet. This is Rowdy. He is my leader on my team, and he's about 4. He'll be turning 5 in March. And then this one over here is Bodie, and he's about a year and a half. Hi. He's about a year and a half, and he runs in the back of the team.
All right, so you're an Alaskan musher?
Yeah.
Really? What's that like? Come on, I mean, that's just like not the average thing that a young girl would kind of want to do. Explain it.
So I grew up into it. So I was born into it. And I started running dogs when I was 3. And I started out with one dog. His name was Buster. And then I worked my way up one dog every 2 years. And now I run an 8-dog team.
You got it, guys. She's a queen.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much for joining us. If you did like what you saw, please hit that like button and give us a comment. Also, please subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. And don't forget to ring that bell for notification of future videos. Thank you so much.
Thank you.